The Concord version of the stainless steel cutters, which will also cut tungsten and any other hard metal. The difference is we have our stainless steel handles, but adhering to the edge, we've welded into place some tungsten carbide steel, which is much harder than stainless steel screws. So the harder metal is an add-on to the stainless steel handles. The handle itself is also configured so that you have a longer handle, which will give you a little bit more leverage, which will make it easier to cut through those tougher screws. So the Concord cutter for hard metals comes in two versions. One is an end cutter, and you can see that the head itself is angled off at an oblique angle. This makes it much easier to get into tight corners and tough spaces. The other version would be the side cutter, and this again has applications for getting into places that the end cutter might not. So having both is important to keep a smooth running operation. So whether you're using an end cutter or a side cutter, the application is the same. After you've cut off the screw, the end's going to be kind of rough, and then you finish it off with a screw finishing tool or a spoon file, a riffler file, or an optician's file.